And Bournemouth Tower Golf Delta Alpha November Lima is ready for my departure clearance.
Golf Delta Alpha November Lima, are you looking to retract via Stony Cross?
Anytime Stony Cross is fine.
Golf Delta Alpha November Lima, roger, hold out November, clearance, leave the control zone via Stony Cross, not above, altitude 2,000 feet, VFR, squawk 7377.
Cleared to leave via Stony Cross, VFR, not above 2,000 feet, squawk 7377, or at November will report when ready. Golf Delta Alpha November Lima.
Golf November Lima, read back correct.
Golf Delta Alpha November Lima at November, ready for departure.
Golf November Lima, roger, hold November.
Hold November, Golf November Lima.
Golf November Lima, line up and wait, runway 26.
Line up and wait, runway 26, Golf November Lima. Okay, ready to go. 7377 is on alt.
Golf November Lima, right turn, runway 26, clear for takeoff, surface and 220 degrees, the traffic head turning right into the visual circuit.
Right turn cleared for takeoff and traffic ahead, visual circuit. Golf November Lima, thank you. PCP's in the green. Off the brakes. Full power. Speed indicating. And flipping. Right. Golf November Lima, oh, that just popped up. I take a left hand circuit.
Right or left hand circuit, your choice.
Taking a left hand or level circuit to land, Golf November Lima.
Golf November Lima, sorry, say again the problem?
Golf November Lima, the door just popped open.
Roger. Golf X-ray Alpha, roger, number 1 report for final.
Number 1, and we'll go Golf X-ray Alpha.
Golf X-ray Alpha, standard count, rest to VFR departure, security 7377.
After the approach, standard count, rest to VFR, squawk 7377, Golf X-ray Alpha. Golf November Lima, number 1 report final.
November Lima, low level downwind, number 1, Wilco report final, November Lima.
Bournemouth Tower, Golf Charlie Tango, Sierra Juliet, joining right base.
Otto Tango Sierra Juliet, Bournemouth Tower, to orbit in your present position, I'll bring you inbound shortly.
All with present position, Golf Sierra Juliet.
Oh, this is an adventure. Door popped open.
Golf November Lima, runway 26, clear to land, surface and 230 degrees 7 knots.
26 clear to land, Golf November Lima, I've got 3 greens.
Golf X-ray Alpha, number 2, following a beach, just turning onto left base, report the traffic in sight.
Number 2, and looking for the traffic, Golf X-ray Alpha. Golf X-ray Alpha, that traffic's 9.
Golf X-ray Alpha, then.
Well, so much for landing practice, here we go. Golf November Lima, final to land.
Golf November Lima, runway 26, clear to land, surface and 230 degrees 7 knots.
Clear to land, November Lima.
Golf X-ray Alpha, turning right base.
Golf X-ray Alpha. Golf November Lima, vacay right on Delta. Do you want to taxi back round to November?
Yeah, I'll taxi back round and make sure the door's shut properly this time. First right on Delta. Thank you very much for that. November Lima.
Golf Sierra Juliet, continue towards right base number 2.
Continue towards final base number 2, Golf Sierra Juliet.
Oh, that was a good landing, but bloody hell. Adventure and a half.
Wilco, Golf Sierra Juliet.
Golf X-ray Alpha, contact Bournemouth radar 119.480.
Bournemouth radar 119.480, Golf X-ray Alpha.
Golf Sierra Juliet, runway 26, clear to land, surface in 220 degrees 6 knots.
Runway 26, clear to land, Golf Sierra Juliet.
Ready to go.
What do you want to put permission to a pitch and go and then a glide approach to land? Golf Sierra Juliet.
And Bournemouth Tower Golf, Delta Alpha November Lima here, having triple checked my door this time. I've got departure via Stony Cross, not above 2,000 feet, and I've got 7377 in SWAC.
Delta Alpha November Lima, the rebat is correct, report ready for departure.
I'm ready for departure.